Hey there! If you're in the manufacturing world, you're about to hear something that could revolutionize your production line. Today, I'm talking about ATC Chains modular belts. Yes, you heard that right. These belts are absolute game changers, and I'm going to tell you why. First up, let's talk durability. ATC Chains modular belts are built to last. They're made from high-quality materials that can withstand the wear and tear of everyday operations. This means fewer replacements and less downtime for maintenance. Imagine how much more efficient your production line could be. Next, there's the flexibility. These belts are modular, which means they can be easily customized to fit your specific needs. Need to change the layout of your conveyor system? No problem. With ATC Chains modular belts, you can reconfigure your setup without any hassle. This adaptability is perfect for manufacturers who need to stay agile in a rapidly changing market. Now, let's talk about hygiene. For industries like food processing, cleanliness is crucial. ATC Chains modular belts are designed with hygiene in mind. They are easy to clean and resistant to microbial growth. This ensures that your products remain safe and your production line stays compliant with health standards. Efficiency is another big win. Thanks to their low-friction design, these belts run smoothly and require less energy to operate. That means lower energy costs for you. Plus, the smooth operation reduces wear on other components of your conveyor system, extending their lifespan as well. And let's not forget about safety. ATC Chains modular belts are engineered to minimize the risk of accidents.